Hey guys, Austin with Measure Square here, and today we'll be taking a look at our task templates. Task templates are designed to help automate some of the workflow. Each project you create will generally share some amount of overlap. Our task can help remind the right people to make a phone call, schedule a deadline, or complete any given task. Once we have the framework in place, all we'll need to do is select an assignee and dates for your tasks, and an email reminder will be sent to the recipients. To start creating our task templates, we'll go to Settings and find the section for task templates. Notice we have a couple templates ready to go. We can add a task to our existing list by clicking the three dots and selecting Edit, reorganizing by dragging and dropping as I go. We can also create a new category for our tasks. For example, we can break out our tasks that need to be done by phase. Once we're all done with our settings, we can go back to the main page and either find or create a new project. I'll use an existing one for this example. Click on Tasks, then use the drop-down menu to select New Task from Template. We can add our bid phase template to the project, and later, after the job has been awarded, we can add in our building phase template. From here, we can designate our assignees by clicking on the Edit button next to the task. The next window gives us the opportunity to change anything unique to the project as well as set the start and end dates for the task. Our goal for this process is to be as quick and easy as possible. We're always looking for new and innovative ways to bring our features to you in as little clicks as possible. We'll save our changes and then repeat for any tasks that need to be updated. If you would like to chime in with any quality of life changes in the comments, we would be happy to receive your input. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next one.